To transfer large files fast and securely on your Mac, visit blip.net, enter your email, and download the free Blip app for Mac, Windows, Android, iPhone, and iPad, or sign up for Linux. With Blip, you can easily send files or folders to your other devices like an iPhone or iPad, or share them with anyone around the world without size limits. To save time and avoid confusion, please follow each step in this tutorial. To install and set up Blip on your Mac, double-click the zip file to open it. Then drag the Blip app into your Applications folder. Open the app, and when macOS asks, "Are you sure you want to open it?" click Open. If you use a Firewall app, you need to allow connections. Sign in with your email and click Continue. Check your email for the verification code, then enter it into this box. For your name, you can enter anything you like. To choose an avatar, click the camera icon, or you can skip this step and set it later in Blip Settings. Click Continue. Then click Done to finish the setup on your Mac. You can now see the Blip icon in your Mac menu bar. Open it. Click the gear icon and select Settings. To allow the Blip app to launch at login, turn on the toggle switch. You can also leave it off if you prefer. For notifications, I want to hear the sound effect, so I keep the default setting. For auto accept, I select Never. For save received files, I choose Desktop, but you can select any location you prefer. I leave the rest of the settings as they are. To select a profile picture, click the camera icon and choose an image from the Photos app or another folder on your Mac. To edit your name, click Edit Name. Next, click Devices. To change a device name, click Rename. If you need help, click Help. You can now close this window. To send large files to another device, such as your iPhone or iPad, download the Blip app from the App Store. Open the app on your iPhone or iPad. Enable notifications on your device to receive files. Then tap Allow. For photos and videos, you can choose either Save to Photos app or Save only to Blip. If you choose Save only to Blip, you will need to open the Blip app on your iPhone or iPad to view the files. Next, tap Allow, then tap Done to finish the setup. When sending a file for the first time, you will see a message saying that Blip would like to access files in your desktop folder. Click Allow. You will also need to allow Blip to find devices on your local network. Blip can now send and receive files more reliably than AirDrop, and you can transfer large files to anyone around the world. To send a file to my iPhone, I'll click the Blip icon in the Mac menu bar and select my iPhone. Then I'll drag and drop my file or folder into this circle and click Send Files. If you want to send photos from the Photos app, click Send Photos instead. A notification appears on my iPhone. After unlocking my iPhone with my passcode, I tap Accept to download the file. I can now open and view the file on my iPhone. If you ever see this screen, click Done to return to the Blip folder and view your downloaded files. To send a file to another person, they need to install the Blip app on their device. First, type their email address into the search box and select it. Then drag and drop the file into the circle and click Send Files. The recipient will receive a notification on their device. After they tap Accept, the file will download. Once the download is complete, they can open and view the file. In this example, a 542 megabyte file took 1 minute and 45 seconds to download. As you may know, Blip is free for hobbyists, students, and non-profits. If you would like to help keep it free, you are welcome to make a donation. If you are looking for free apps to protect your privacy and security, check out the step-by-step tutorials in these videos. They cover tools that help block tracking, secure your data, and keep your Mac safe. Watch them at the end of this video or access the links in the description box below this video by clicking on More. I especially recommend installing a Firewall app to stop apps from sending data without your permission. To quit Blip, open it from the menu bar, click the gear icon, and select Quit Blip. If you are looking for more free Mac apps, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free apps tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.